This is after 1.5 weeks of work after it's completed. Let's take you back to the top. Parking view of the apartment complex. Like, this is the parking area, and the other side is the children park. What we have tried to do here is put some geometrical patterns with some nice looking flowers, as you can see. Taking you to the other side. Top there is one light, and there is one light. Okay, so those are the kids who stay here, and on this part we try to put some elements. On this part we try to put some elements of children character, like anything which boggles their mind. Had fun doing it. Now, on the middle of the columns, right? On the middle of the columns, we use fluorescent paints. See, on the middle of the part we use fluorescent paints, which should glow with the blue LED going on with this. I mean, it glows, of course it glows. This thing glows, it has all the nightscapes. and stuff. I don't know if you can see this, but there is the Synergy truck branding over it. And also in here, moving to the top to show you the view from the top. And this is the part. This is the view from the top of the whole scene. Now, how the apartment complex looks, and wow, I hope you can see. I hope you can see what is there. Like it's a 3D structure down there of fishes and all, and it's a pretty powerful work we did. And then there are the balconies. They can see from the balconies, I hope. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and also we are having tons of work, like all lined up till December. So we are pretty excited about it. We are open to work anywhere in the country. Just give us a call and we'll sit for deals. Yeah, totally pumped up for this action. So thank you very much, and do share. Please, please, please share the work. Like, you never know who might need us, right? Alright, so I'm out.